So Jerry, how are we feeling?
Not bad, but no one seems to want to talk about the procedure I had.
Oh, well, it's complicated, but the short version is you lost a lot of your brain in the crash, and so we replaced that with animal brain stuff.
What? I lost part of my brain?
Yeah, the whole left side of your brain was just mush and yucky. So usually what we do is we scoop what's in there out, tape it up, and send you on your way. But this time we decided we're going to try this new procedure where we put animal brains in your head.
Wait, how are you allowed to do that?
You signed off on this.
But I just been in an accident. I lost half my brain.
Yeah, but we made sure that you were capable of giving consent.
How?
You signed off on another form.
Okay, so what is this?
That allows you to regulate the animal side of your brain. It's new, actually. You're the first person to get that done with the procedure. Here, come follow me. All right. That's Henry Katzenberg. He was an electrical engineer. He got monkey brains. And that's Gina Asplund. She's a barista. She's got dolphin brains. And if you ask me, that's kind of an upgrade. Here, let's go.
So, what animal did I get?
Well, I mean, we sort of had to improvise with you because there's a lot of space to fill.
What animal?
To be honest, I couldn't really name all of them. I know that there's a cow, some goats, a dog, it's a cute one, a cat.
So some people get monkeys and dolphins, and I got some kind of barnyard reject cocktail?
Yeah, it's like Tetris. There's a cow brain and then a cat. It just fits. You're gonna be fine. I've got a lot of patience though, so you gotta go.
Mouse brain.
Pardon?
You're here for your mouse brain, right?
I'm here for a follow-up to my appendectomy.
Alright, never mind, forget it. We're good.
Wait, what are they going to do in my brain?
This hand is mine.
Oh. Well,
There must be something in your ear. I told you I got this hand. All in.
Can I help? Oh, God. Which doctor are you here to see? Oh, Dr. Padua. Okay, just go right in. I'll buzz him and let him know you're here.
Oh, Jerry. Ugh. Gross, you're leaking. Okay, alright, take a seat. Calm down. Alright. Look, Jerry, there was never any medicine in there. I just felt a couple lawsuits coming on. Figured I'd buy myself some time. That's actually just a placebo. It's supposed to be saline solution, but it's just Mountain Dew. I'm going to Brazil, chartered a private plane, so you can sue the hospital for millions. That should buy you a lot of hay, right? Okay. Or just get a spoon and scoop the rest of that stuff out of your brain.